Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Amazon account. First, on the URL section, you have to type amazon.com and enter it. And on the right here, beside the search icon that says sign in, you simply have to click on this option which is in the yellow font, and it will directly take you to the login process like here. And you have to enter your email or mobile number and click on the continue button right here. And after that, you have to type your password as well and click on the sign in. And in the box here, right here, you can click on it as well to keep you signed in so that you don't have to type your email next when you logged into to your Amazon. So that is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. This is how you can log into your Amazon account, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.